Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in data science with Costco, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what data science entails. Research the various applications of data science within retail settings. Identify Costco as a prime example of a company leveraging data science for business growth. Explore how Costco uses data to optimize inventory management. Look into how customer data is analyzed to enhance shopping experiences. Study the algorithms used for dynamic pricing strategies. Examine the role of machine learning in predicting consumer trends. Familiarize yourself with the types of data Costco collects from its members. Get insights into how data science enhances supply chain efficiency. Understand the benefits of targeted marketing campaigns driven by data analysis. Research investment opportunities related to Costco's data science initiatives. Consider investing in companies that partner with Costco for data analytics. Analyze Costco's financial reports to gauge their investment in technology. Stay updated on industry trends in data science related to retail. Attend webinars or workshops focused on data science applications in business. Join online forums or groups discussing data science investments. Connect with professionals in the field to gain insider knowledge. Prioritize continuous learning to hone your data science investment strategies. Develop a diversified investment portfolio that includes data-driven companies. Monitor your investments and adjust based on market movements and data insights. Remain patient and committed to your investment plan for long-term gains. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.